Hey, 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 how you doing? How you doing? I hope you're having a fantastic Sunday. I am getting ready to go for lunch with John, and what else am I doing today? I think that's all. I was gonna do like a little mini makeup tutorial, or like just to get ready with me, but I have to take my main camera off my tripod. That's what I gotta do first. Sorry guys, my battery died. I'm currently baking my face. It looks crazy, 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 crazy. I'm going for lunch, I told you. Did I tell you that? I don't even know, because I don't know what I've even saying. I have to go and get lunch with John, or I'm going to meet John for lunch, not have to. And also had a little epiphany this morning, which I thought was kind of fun of a video to do for you guys. So basically I'm going to talk about like my top 10 items to buy in Deals or Poundland if you live in the UK. Wait for that video, that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna put it up on this channel, I think, because some of the stuff is obviously householdy things and people on my beauty channel be like, huh, girl, what? So at least I can put it up here and it might be a bit more fun. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in that kind of thing, because I did see a few tweets back when I did say that I want to do more homeware hauls and stuff like that. People were like, yeah, we really want to see that, and I love those videos. So anyway, I'm gonna finish my makeup and put my battery back on charge because it's gonna die, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm ready to go. I have crazy person hair. My mum was like, are you going out with your hair like that? I was like, yeah, because I just don't have time to like sort it out. It's just gonna have to remain like that. Because this is in my local Centra there now. I'm leaving it obviously now. Just I had to get diesel per usual. And there was a girl working in there and I was in her way. I was like standing in her way like an idiot because I was in another world, and she turned around to me and I just said like, oh, I'm so sorry, and she was like, you're okay, and she goes, you look very pretty today. And I was like, that is so nice. She doesn't know who I am, I don't know who she is, I've never seen her, even though she works in my local Centra. You know, like there's a lot of people that work in there, and I just thought it was such a lovely thing to say to a stranger, like, you look nice. I don't know, I just thought it was a really nice thing. She put me in great form. Now the bad news is I am extremely late to meet John for lunch. What happened was, I'm not blaming Mum and Ollie, but they came into my room this morning when I was getting ready, go to meet my boy for lunch, and they distracted me having conversations. So now I am late, and the fact I had to get diesel has made me even later. I hate being late. John is never late, and I'm trying to like take a leaf out of his book and not be late myself, and it's been going pretty well lately. But today we're late again. How is this happening? Oh, I heard that song in the shop there now. Are you real, are you lying? So stop with your crying. Such a like upbeat song, isn't it? It's real like, I just feel real happy today. Okay, so I just met John for lunch and now I'm going into Lidl. I had eggs Benedict for lunch. I think I'm actually officially becoming addicted to that because it's the second time I've had it this week. Why? I don't know. So I'm at Lidl currently, and in Lidl I'm going to buy a Hoover, a cordless Hoover. Apparently they're on offer for like $69.99, and John gave me his card to get it, and now I'm after forgetting the code. No, I think I know it. That's gonna be really awkward if I get in there and I'm like, sorry, I don't know the code. I'll just use my card. It's not really that awkward. But John just wants to pay for the Hoover for whatever reason, I don't know. So I was like, okay, you want to pay for the Hoover? Because I'm gonna go and look at home decor in TKmaxx, I think. And then I might go into, where else might I go? I might go into Zara. I think that's where I want to go as well. And is there anywhere else I want to go today? Trying to avoid Penny's like the plague, because Penny's and I, not that we're not getting along, we are getting along, but that's the issue. We're getting along too well that I end up just buying stuff that I really don't need. And I'm kind of on like a no spending ban for myself. Wow, that dad just dragged his little girl behind a car that was reversing. Anything could happen to the poor little girl. This Lidl is mayhem here. What is going on here at all today? I think the issue is people don't want to park far away and walk, which is what I'm gonna do, because I like to walk, and parking far away is a much better choice than trying to get the nearer car parking spaces and waiting 15 million years. Anyone else hate reversing into car parking spaces when somebody's waiting for you to waiting to move or waiting to drive by you, and then you just feel like the pressure's on, and even though you're really good at reversing into a car space, you're just automatically just crap at driving, and you make so many mistakes and you're pulling in and out and in and out and in and out for like 50 times. Well, that didn't just happen to me, but I just feel like everybody's watching. Their cars can drive by now. I just hate it. I'm like, the pressure is on, Ashling. Get into the parking space properly. Okay, in we go to Lidl to buy a Hoover. I was in getting my car NCT the other day, and when I got back into the car, I was like, there is paint all over the seat, because obviously like I'd be in the apartment and then like the paint in my hair, and then obviously I get into my car and like lean up against it, so it's just really not cute. Okay, so I got my Hoover. This is it. It's a handheld one, and it plugs into the wall to charge, and you also get a 3-year guarantee with this. So if anything happens to it within the first month, you go back to Lidl. After 3 years, Silvercrest will take it back and give you a new one. That is bloody unreal, and it was only €70, so $69.99. Very, very happy. Hoover is a got. And I also picked up these when I was in there. Look how cute they are. They're like little jars, and you put sweets in them. Now, John is the worst in the world, because if he sees sweets, he'll just keep eating them until they're all gone. So I'm just gonna put like sweets he doesn't like in there. But aren't they so cute? They're little teeny tiny jars, and this color is the same color as my cookie jar as well. I just thought maybe for like sweets. Another thing you could put in there is like mints or chewing gum or something like that, you know, when you just want like a mint after dinner or something like that. I don't know, that's just what I'm thinking. I just thought they were too cute to pass up, and you get 2 in a box. I'm sure John needs these, like he feels like he needs them too. He totally agrees with me on that purchase. Because then I might get a Starbucks or something. That's what I'm thinking. I did get a little coffee. Oh, there's that woman. There was a lovely little woman in there. Absolutely lovely. Her and her husband were buying their groceries, and they're doing like their week shop or whatever, and then I came up behind them, and they were like, we're gonna be here for a while, so you can go ahead of us. And I was like, that is so kind, thank you so much. Everybody's being really nice today. The universe is just such a lovely place to be. And then they're doing like these stickers or something like that in Lidl, and they asked me did I want the stickers, and I said no, and then the lady who let me skip said that she's collecting them, and I was like, oh well, you can have my stickers. I was like, well, it's a very happy day altogether. Yeah, I'm having a really nice day. I said to John, I was like, I feel like I need some retail therapy. He was like, seriously, shopping? And I was like, yeah, but like homeware stuff or just to go to deals. And then I was saying that to Ollie earlier on, and Ollie was like, you were like the queen of deals. She was like, every time you go in there, she was like, you buy the most randomest things ever. And I was like, yeah, but I find really cool deals. I'm talking about deals all day today. I feel like I'm sponsored by them. Hashtag not sponsored. But deals, if you want to sponsor me, come get your girls. Obsessed with the shop. Obsessed. Let's go shopping, guys. I'm gonna bring you with me around TKmaxx. It is a day for the ducks, really, to be honest, because it's pouring rain, and I don't think anybody else would appreciate this weather as much as the ducks, because I know I don't appreciate this weather. It's raining so bad, but Aisling has a trick up her sleeve. She has an umbrella, guys. An umbrella. It's actually not cold today. It's actually 17 degrees. By God, it's warm. Well, for September and a wet day, like that's a pretty mild day. There is no need for jackets, etc. And the only jacket I have is not going to go with this outfit because it is camo, and I'm wearing a red shirt. And camo and red shirts, well, actually it's a check shirt. When camo and check shirts don't go well together. Do you like this shirt, guys? I got this church? What the hell was I trying to say there? I got it from Pretty Little Thing. I really like it. I'm not a major red color. You don't see me wearing too much red. I'm more of like a neutral gal, and maybe some like blush pinks, and I do like my camo. I love my camo, but it's very rare that you see me wearing like red. But I do like a red shirt every now and again. I'm gonna park up here and I'm gonna go for a little walk, so I'll chat to you guys in a bit, or I'll probably bring you around the shopping experience with me. Come shopping with me. Yay! basement in the car park. And I just had one of the best days ever, like one of the best days ever, even though it's only 5:20. Oh. What the hell is that? Even though it's only 5:20 and I still have a whole load of a day to go, but every single where I went today, people were so lovely. Like the guy at Starbucks was so nice. I need to talk about that in a minute because hello, the pumpkin spice lattes are back, and I got a venti one the size of my head because I was like, girl, you need a big venti. So anyway, the guy in there was so lovely. He was really sweet. He said that he was having like he was a bit tired today and he was making a couple of mistakes, and I was like, I totally relate. I'm having one of those days, because he spelled my name, like it started it with an S. Then I went to TKmaxx. There was a lovely girl in there. She was so nice, so nice. And then I went into Zara, which I wasn't going to go into in the end because I was like, come on girl, you're just going to end up spending way too much money. So I went into Zara and I met a subscriber and she was so stinking adorable. And her name was Sinead. And I want to say a huge shout out to Sinead that works in Zara. She was so lovely. She was like, oh my god, I watch your videos, I'm following you at the apartment. I was like, oh my god, you're so sweet. She's so lovely. So I was delighted that I went in the end, because wow, what a lovely person. Now I don't know where I'm going at all because, oh there we are. Guys, I also don't really want to admit this, but I'm gonna, because you know, I'm very transparent. I've been walking around the car park area here for 10 minutes looking for my car, also petrified that my card is gonna run out. You know the way like you have like 15 minutes to get out, and yeah, I couldn't find the bloody exit. But now we're here. It's very packed today, very packed in 10, but I just had the best day ever. Like I really feel like everyone was so nice. I must be vibing really high because everyone was really kind and really nice and just being really sweet. And then I met a subscriber and it just made my whole day as well. And got to have lunch with my boyfriend, and it was just a lovely day. A lovely day out. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna chill, I think, until John comes home. Yeah, that's the plan, because we're gonna go into the apartment and we're only going to stay till I think 8 tonight, maybe 9. And then he was like, let's watch a movie, let's snuggle up in the couch. I'm gonna stay out in his house, so I can't wait to do that, because heaven knows I need a relaxing evening with them. So that's what we're gonna do. Now I have no idea how to get home. No, I do, I know where I'm going. Guys, you probably think I'm a lunatic because I'm like, what way am I going? What lane am I in? That's just the story of my life, but I'm in the right lane. It's just there's construction going on at the moment. I'm really not that stupid, I promise. There's construction going on and there's like signposts, get into your lane and this lane is blocked and okay guys, I'm gonna go home and I will talk to you guys when I am home. I'm in the wrong lane, of course I am, because that would be normal behavior. Why am I singing very badly? And I hope you have a fantastic day. If this is the last you see of me today, have a lovely day. I've had a lovely day. I hope if you didn't have a lovely day, that tomorrow is a lovely day, and I will talk to all you guys then. Mwah. Bye.